So Samsung has a sale already for their brand new Z Flip 6. And this sale is on Amazon. And by the way, this is officially from Samsung. This isn't like a third party trying to sell this phone. Maybe they got like a bunch of units and then trying to unload them. No, this is from Samsung, as we can see right here. It does say visit Samsung store. This is sold from Samsung, fulfilled by Amazon, but sold by Samsung. And you get the Z Flip 6 for $1,099 with a $200 gift card. So in reality, you get this phone for $899. That's what this is at the end of the day, which is kind of insanely crazy just because it just came out recently. And for it to already be on sale like less than a week after it came out. Actually, no, literally less than 3 days after it came out. It's already on discount on on Amazon. Now, of course, this is a limited time offer. It says right here, limited time deal. Not sure how long this is going to be available for, but still for that price tag, that is kind of insane. Now, the Z Flip 6, it is an upgrade. It has 12 gigabytes of RAM versus 8. It also does have arguably a better... there's not much of an upgrade. The battery's better. It's an upgraded processing unit. But reality-wise, it also does have the same sensor as the S24 Ultra series. Well, not the Ultra, the S24 series. Which is cool and nice. And, it's definitely a nice upgrade. But it's not like it's insanely crazy. And honestly, out of the two phones that did come out this year, it's a better upgrade than the Samsung Z Fold series. But it's still not like insanely crazy. It's not like you're getting it and thinking, oh wow, this is a huge upgrade for my Z Fold series. It's on my Z Flip 5 series. So it is what it is at the end of the day. But this is what I said in the previous video, and I'll say this again. It just looks so bad when these phones come out with these when these companies come out with these phones, and then within like a couple days, a week, a month, they're already discounting them. It just makes you like not want to pre-order these phones. And maybe I'm by myself in that opinion, but it's like if you buy a product, right, and then right away the company's like, okay, now that you bought it, awesome, you paid full price for it, right? Now we're going to discount it. Now, if you did pre-order this phone, you did get double storage options for, the same price, which is cool. But reality-wise, I'd probably rather have the extra $200 than get double the storage option. Like, it's cool to get double the storage option, but I'd probably rather have just give me the extra $200 and give me the phone for cheaper than give me the extra storage option. I think some people would definitely agree with that. So, I don't know how I feel about this. It's just, I feel like it's so early on to do this. Maybe Samsung is trying to like boost their sales before other, flippable cell phones come out. And that's very possible if that's what they're trying to, kind of get at. But it just leaves a bad taste in my mouth every single time. And Samsung is like the king of doing this. Samsung loves to discount their foldable, flippable cell phones. It's not like, as bad as Microsoft, but it's just so early on. Like, give it a week or two. Like, let people actually spend the week or two before you go ahead and release this offer. But keep in mind, you can return your Z Flip series if you want to. And if you want this deal instead, you can go get this deal. So, I guess, you're still in the return window. So, if you see this deal and you're like, wow, this is a way better deal than what I paid, yeah, this is an offer. You get a Z Flip and an Amazon gift card for this price tag, which you can get any option as well, which is kind of cool. But tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I mean, if you were kind of on the fence maybe about not buying this or potentially buying this, maybe this kind of pushes you over the edge there. You can also trade in your phone, by the way. Little side note. So if you even wanted to, you get the discount plus trade in your cell phone. And you can get, a certain amount of money back. Wait. They only let you trade into an iPhone 12 Pro Max. That feels so weird. Why don't they let you trade in? I mean, I get they don't let you trade into like an iPhone 15 Pro, but why only a 12 Pro? That feels so old. Okay, I feel like they definitely should let you trade in more than... Really? An iPhone 12 Pro Max is the latest they let you trade in. So you can't trade in even a 13 Pro or 14 Pro. I get a 15 Pro, but a 13 or 14 Pro, they don't let you trade that in? Alright. Tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. Peace out.